It's here! The day is here! So come on over here real quick. I'll show you. So these are the Xilinx cards here, right? So these are the VCU1525s. These are the Xilinx FPGA field reprogrammable gate arrays. Now these are the old versions. These ones have the these ones got the additional cooling on the back, as you can see here. These additional cooling units. But let's go show you what we've all been waiting for. We've been waiting since September. September delivery, they said. August delivery, they told us. Oh no, October, no worries. I think they were supposed to land originally in July, but what does that box say, Spencer?
Xilinx.
And what does that say?
Squirrel.
And what do they do?
Mining.
That's right. So this is our first batch. We've got probably more cards coming because this isn't a full box. But this is our first batch of cards. So and you can see this is our beautiful GPU wall over at the Crypto Kings. We have a lot of equipment. We make a lot of equipment for people. But come in closer. Let's see what's actually going on here. Ooh. So what's this say right here? Do not use any 6-pin SATA. That shit will light on fire. And then I think this is our get started. Cool. I think we just got scammed, bro.
What are you talking about? Oh my god. Where are all the cards?
I mean, for real? How many cards were supposed to be in this shipment?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm seeing 5 empty slots, guys.
Customs grab them?
We got the nice risers. Squirrel Research risers. We've got power patch cables.
Where are the FPGAs? What's that, Alex?
It says 4 on one card. Sorry. There better be cards under here.
There better be.
There better be. Customs. We have to pay like $2,300 in customs, right?
Oh, that must be long.
Okay, come on real close, guys. Let's take a look. Oh, this is a nice way to ship cards, eh?
It is.
Ooh, baby. This is a hefty machine. These have a lot of heft to them. It's like my Uncle Bob. There's a lot to look at. Kind of heavy. Okay. Oh, check it out. That is beautiful, folks. Look at what we have here. There is your Xilinx, our first unboxed Squirrel Research Xilinx modified by Squirrel Research and Minority.
Sexy.
Look at that sexy backplate. Touching a whole bunch of the components. This is actually for cooling. Very cool. Look at that unique exhaust thruster out the back. Just a gaping hole. It's pretty neat. It uses 8-pin power. Single 8-pin. I thought it was going to be 6 and 8-pin. 6 plus 8-pin. But in fact, they've got just on the 8-pin, which is super cool. Oh man. Oh man. Mano, oh mano, oh mano, oh mano. So I hope there's 5 in here. I think we're good, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Unless any of those are empty.
And we'll find out in a second here. Oh, so we got a couple more shipments of these coming still. These are the first ones we ordered, the first wave. They're here now. We've got a whole bunch of our clients ordered them as well, and we've got some coming for our clients as well. Crystal, and who else had some ordered? Crystal. Roy. We did a group buy with Mo and Bar and Jason. I think Jason ordered one of his own, didn't he?
Yeah.
I know Cam got one, I think, and I think Mike got one or two, and Aaron and a few people. And I think the idea is they're all going to ship them over to here once they land, and we'll get running them for them. We're going to probably end up with about 30 here at the Crypto Cave. We're going to run the VCUs in our house here. Lost my watch. The car's trying to rob me. Almost got it too. That was close. So we're probably going to end up running about 30 of them. I think we're going to probably do what, like 8 or 9 card breaks, do you think, Spencer?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's just unbag what else is going on here. So these are the suggested USB risers. So for now, you can run them off the ×1. So this operates like a normal riser, but they do not want us to use the SATA cables. So in fact, a fully set up Squirrel Research Xilinx BCU1525 will in fact require a 6 and 8 pin, as I suspected. This is how they look, guys. There's your Squirrel Research BCU1525. We got a whole bunch more to unbox. We got a couple more boxes. You guys have fun. We're gonna leave it there for now. We gotta get these running for our clients. Our time was expected. We want to get these going lickety split. So I'm gonna be up all night trying to get these going. Spencer, why don't you give me the phone? You can hold this sucker and say hi to everyone. Spencer's our head technician over here. He's going to be doing most of the programming on these. He's been hammering away at the beer log. How's the beer log been treating you, Spencer?
It's rough.
It's rough. It's rough.
Slow going, but it's going.
We got it. We're going through it. Okay, brother. So what do you...
Passive cooling.
Yeah, passive. Eh? It's pretty interesting. So what do you think?
I think these are pretty sweet. Should be good.
How much do you think by February we'll be making a day off of these things?
Hopefully a lot.
Hopefully a lot.
$20 a day?
Oh, 200, 300 easy. Easy to 300. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, well, thank you guys. Crypto King's killing it as always.